So now we finished with the coins. We started off at 1p and we made our way up to £2. Now we're moving on to notes. Okay, so this is a £5 note. You can tell it's a £5 note because obviously it's got fives everywhere. It's got the written value there, £5, and also with a £5 it's normally a sort of greeny, bluey sort of colour as well. Now thinking back, £5. Alright, if we think about the coins, the £1 and the £2 coins, it's 5 £1. So if you had 5 £1 coins, it would be the same value as this £5 note here. So then we have the £10 note. Again, it just has the numbers everywhere. It has the written value, and it's normally a sort of browny orangey colour. Then we move on to the £20. Again, the value is everywhere. We've got 20s everywhere, written value, and normally a £20 note is a sort of blue, purpley colour, so you'll know if it's £20 because of the purple. And finally we have the £50 note. So this is the biggest note that England has. Once again, it just has the 50s everywhere. It's got the written value, £50 there, and normally £50 is a sort of red colour.